Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to learn how to make Kenyan chai. Now, chai typically has its origins in India, but it's made its way around the world. The only distinguishing factor between Indian chai, or what we know in America as chai, and Kenyan chai is the amount of sugar you're going to put in your tea. Let's get started. First, we're going to take our serving cup, and we're going to take our chai tea bag, which you could find down the coffee and tea aisle of your local grocery store. We're going to open that up. We're going to take it out and put it in our teacup. Now again, there's nothing really special about this tea bag except that it's a mixture of black tea and some spices such as cinnamon, cumin, ginger, and nutmeg. Now every recipe does differ, but that's basically what's in that tea bag. So before we pour in our hot water, we're going to take our sugar, which is going to make this very distinctively the type of chai we're making. We're going to add 4 teaspoons of sugar, which is going to make this beverage pretty sweet. Once we've got our sugar in there, we're then going to pour over the tea bag and the sugar boiling hot water. Now you're going to want to use boiling hot water because that temperature of the water is best to help bring out all of the flavor and the spices that are in this chai tea. We're going to let that steep or sit in the hot water for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then we're going to disregard the chai tea bag. At the end of the steeping period, you're then going to take your chai tea bag and you're going to bob that up and down for a few minutes or a few seconds. Then you're going to take your tea bag and squeeze out any of the excess liquid that's left in there, and use some caution because that is very hot. Then we're going to take our serving spoon and we're going to stir around all of that sugar in the bottom of our serving cup. You're going to want to stir that around just to make sure that it all dissolves equally and evenly throughout the beverage, or you're going to have a pretty sweet last sip of your tea. Once you feel comfortable that all of the sugar has dissolved, we're then going to add some hot milk, which you could just take milk and put it in your microwave for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. And we're going to pour that on top of our chai tea. I always like to top it off with some cinnamon. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make Kenyan chai.